Alright, this is a pre-purchase inspection in Tampa. And there's a clean out in front of the house to the right of the front door. You see that's a Santee, a 2-inch tie-in. And currently we're in the 3-inch pipe, or actually 4-inch pipe, I'm sorry. So we're going underneath the house. We're just inspecting to see how everything looks. It's going to be a 4x4 with a reducer on the left hand side, probably a 3-inch, hard to say. And then we're taking a right hand turn. A little belly here, but nothing terrible. And it goes to a 4x3 reducer. And this looks like another combo, one splitting off to the right, and then one going straight ahead. I can't make the camera go up any direction that it's not wanting to. It's a push rod with a spring head. And this will be either a base of the stack or the end of the run where a toilet is, and we're 41 feet underneath the house. I don't see any issues underneath the house at all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pull the camera back to get to the first combo, and I'm going to knock on the door here and ask them to run all the water they can run in the house, so that way we can see the flow and make sure everything comes by at a good rate. And then we will check downstream towards the city tap from here. So everything underneath the house appears to be PVC from what we can physically see. Anything in those combos with the branch lines we could not get up due to it being a 2-story. I can't get on the roof, but from what we can see, everything is PVC. If the branch lines should be also PVC. Alright, so we're coming up to the clean out here, so I'm going to pause the video and ask them to flush all the toilets, and we'll see how everything looks. Alright, so we got the first flush coming. Just heard it go. It may take a minute for it to get here since this is a pretty long run. Here it comes. That was a good flush. I'm going to go ahead and move my camera to kind of free up any debris that may be in front of the camera since we're blocking the flow at the moment. I just heard the second flush. Everything's running past the clean out at good rate. Flushing it again. Everything's looking good. Water's picking up again. Here goes the big rush. Looks like another piece of toilet paper just getting caught in front of the camera. Nothing bad, it's just, again, we're damming up the pipe with our camera being here. Let's get it out really fast. There it goes. So I'm going to go ahead and put the camera downstream so we can see how everything's looking here. Now that we've got the water running, it'll help us get to the city tap. So going down towards the street, it's definitely going to be PVC inside the sewer pipe. Everything here looks to be good so far. Don't see any issues. We just went through 2 different drops. This is going to be another test tee that's above us, so we should be approaching the city tap here shortly. And here's the PVC to clay connection. So everything here looks good. I'm going to see if we can get into the, all the way into the tap, but this is now at this point the city's responsibility. Looks like we do have some roots in the clay pipe. I'm going to go ahead and locate this area. Alright, so that location's going to be in the center of the driveway, maybe 2, 3, actually probably 4 to 5 feet from the bricks. I'm going to go ahead and pull back to the other root section, which is going to be right here. We're going to go ahead and locate this as well. Alright, so what I'm going to do is locate where the PVC test tee is and mark that as well. There it is. Okay, here we go. Alright, so this is also going to be underneath the driveway. So the sewer system was put in and then they poured the driveway on top of it. All that's fine, it's just that the clay pipes are notorious to have root intrusion in it. Since it's so close to the, it's actually, where it is, it's underneath the sidewalk, between the sidewalk and the brick road, so likely this might be a city responsibility problem. But everything as far as from the sidewalk to the property and everything underneath the house is in wonderful shape. So we're going to go ahead and pull back to the clean out, and this will conclude the video.